Have you ever pondered about the intriguing intersection of art and technology? How two seemingly different realms can converge to create a new universe of possibilities? Well, that's precisely the journey we're about to embark on with Memebox. Welcome explorers and creators to the world of Memebox, a vast cosmopolitan domain where creativity and technology coexist in harmony, where artists, musicians, filmmakers, developers, and various NFT communities find a common ground in the revolutionary Web3 space. Memebox isn't merely a creative agency, it's a vibrant community, a dynamic network, and a bridge that ushers the Web2 world into the fascinating realm of Web3. Imagine a place where art isn't confined to physical galleries, but exists in a boundless digital space, where music isn't limited to records, but flows through a blockchain, a place where many talents and backgrounds merge together into an innovative hub. That's the world Memebox is crafting, a world within worlds, slowly, cautiously, and with care. Memebox builds itself brick by brick without cutting any corners, a world where art and technology intertwine to create a magnificent tapestry of innovation and creativity. An essential aspect of this world consists of the Memebox network. This network includes a vast and expanding melting pot of gifted souls, creative minds from Music 3, such as instrumentalists, singers, lyricists, beat makers, and music producers. Talents from Film 3 who produce, write, and create short films and movies, including a wide range of artists and developers, are members within the network. The network serves as a tool connecting these various creatives into one place, not only benefiting the community, but also the creatives within. Although many music creators remain in the world of Web 2, a special breed of talented music artists have begun to plant seeds in Web 3. Memebox features these Music 3 artists on a 24/7 radio stream known as Cool Vibes Radio, currently on YouTube and the Memebox website. Here, artists from both the Web 2 and Web 3 realms get a platform to showcase their talent. Enjoy carefully curated music from talented artists. It's a pulsating hub of creativity, a testament to the power of collaboration and the magic that ensues when Web 2 and Web 3 musicians converge. It is important for people to understand that the world is changing. A few generations ago, people thought the internet was a silly idea. Now, people throughout the world use the internet as if it has always existed. Technology known as the internet, or Web 2, has become normalized, and so too will the blockchain. Many pioneers within the network and Web 3 are aware of this. Memebox offers useful tools for those willing to embrace change and navigate the world of Web 3. But Memebox isn't just a platform, it's a mission, every human symbolic of a block within the blockchain. This organic ecosystem is a microcosm of an ever-expanding macrocosm, the Memebox mission to inscribe humanity into the ever-evolving digital and technological world. As we navigate the digital age, Memebox ensures that we don't lose our essence, our creativity, our humanity. It's a beacon of hope in a world that's rapidly becoming a binary code. Memebox is an ever-expanding force, not just in the blockchain but also in the physical world. It's a testament to the limitless possibilities that arise when we dare to dream, when we dare to innovate, when we dare to step into the unknown. So, are you ready to take a leap into the future? Are you ready to join a community that's redefining the boundaries of art and technology? Are you an artist, developer, or creator seeking a network within the world of Web 3? Then, step into the Memebox. Join us on a mission to innovate, create, and inspire. It's time to explore the limitless, to harness the power of technology, and to see what's inside the Memebox. The future is here and now. The future is Memebox.
Can devs do something